What we have experienced, especially in the 21st century, is the pace of technology change is completely unprecedented. The purpose of Next47 is to create the next generation of business for Siemens.
We have now a partnership with Techstars. We want to open up the Techstars ecosystem to Siemens employees with great disruptive business ideas.
Techstars help identify who are the best teams at Siemens to be entrepreneurs and put them through this program to give them access to mentors, to ideas, to other corporates, teach them how to pitch. At the end of these 3 months, they have to be a standalone company.
One of Techstars' core products is our 90-day mentorship-driven accelerator programs. These programs run in 25 cities around the world. In downtown Detroit, we run our mobility program, looking at all things related to the movement of people and goods across sea, air, and land. ECOG is building this platform to monetize electric vehicle charging infrastructure. It's a huge growing market, and we're really excited to have them here.
Well, I think Detroit is, to me, like a laboratory for companies. It has a relatively reasonable cost for companies to try things out, which is very important in the startup scene. And of course, the closeness to all the automotive industry here is just phenomenal.
Thank you, everyone, for coming down to the Techstars office today. This is our first real day of kind of what we like to call mentor madness. The secret to Techstars is this. It's everyone coming down here, meeting these companies, sharing your insight, your wisdom with them, taking time out of your day. And when we add this up over a few-week period, that's why this process works, why we can attract amazing companies from around the world to Detroit.
When you think of starting your own company and you leave the safety net, you leave the structure, you have to be ready to jump, and it takes a lot of courage.
Are you gonna take the risk? Are you gonna leap? And do you know what's ahead of you? No, you don't. But I think it's really exciting to now really shift the gears and have your own enterprise and build up something from scratch.
Their biggest challenge is going to be there's not a lot of electric vehicles on the market today worldwide. So how do they start to develop revenue and build their product while the market is still growing? The great thing about Techstars is it's a process that works. We'll see companies pivot their business, rebrand their business, refocus it.
Already the 8 days we are in the program, the way we think of setting up a business is already different. Looking forward the next 2.5 months, definitely we will be different.
In New York City, we run our IoT program, which is looking at the future of the connected internet.
So I'm Robert. I'm an engineer at Siemens, and together with Richard, we founded RealSynth, a company that makes teaching artificial intelligence how to see much more cost-effective and flexible. The common way to train a computer vision system is to collect a whole bunch of images. Instead of capturing those images, we generate those images artificially. We are both engineers. We have no experience with founding and leading a company. And that's what we hope from the program to get out, to actually develop some business skills.
Yesterday in the evening we were still working on our pitch, and today was the corporate kickoff where we met our corporate partners, and we were also pitched our business for the first time. Actually received a lot of valuable feedback.
I think they will need to widen their scope to be a real startup. Also, it's clear that they haven't given too much thought yet to the business model, and I hope that's something that Techstars will help them define better over the next 3 months.
My expectation is that at the end of the 3 months, we will have a quite different business model from what RealSynth and ECOG started with. They believe on their ideas so much that they are not afraid. But that's what makes an entrepreneur, and that's what will make them successful.